Prompt framework, RACE. The RACE framework is a structured methodology in prompt engineering that stands for role, audience, context, and examples. It provides a blueprint for crafting prompts that guide AI models toward generating responses that are relevant, tailored, and aligned with the user's intent. Each component in the RACE framework addresses a specific aspect of prompt design to maximize the effectiveness and quality of AI responses. Here's a detailed look at each part. Role. Definition. The role element establishes a specific persona or function for the AI to assume while responding. By assigning a role, users can instruct the AI to adopt a particular perspective, expertise, or approach, guiding the tone, style, and detail level of the response. Importance. Assigning a role allows the AI to tailor responses according to the knowledge, language, and insights expected of a professional in that domain. This is especially useful in tasks where expertise, formality, or a particular point of view is critical for achieving an effective response. Ways to define the role. Specify a professional role such as act as a financial advisor, be a customer support agent, or respond like a historian. If necessary, add attributes to the role such as an experienced software developer or a friendly tour guide. Consider using personas or perspectives that align with the response goal, like play the role of a motivational speaker for inspiring messages. Example, prompt with role defined. You are a nutritionist providing advice to a client who wants to improve their diet. Suggest some healthy meal options and explain the benefits of each choice. Expected outcome. The AI provides diet suggestions in a knowledgeable and supportive tone, as a nutritionist would rather than generic dietary advice. Audience. Definition. The audience component refers to defining the intended recipients of the response. This helps the AI model adjust the complexity, formality, and tone of its response based on the knowledge level, interests, and preferences of the target audience. Importance. By clearly specifying the audience, users can ensure the AI generates content that resonates and is easily understood by the intended readers or listeners. The level of detail, jargon, and approach to explanation will vary significantly depending on whether the audience is composed of professionals, students, or general readers. Ways to specify the audience. Define whether the audience is specialized, for example, industry experts, or general, for example, the public. Mention any relevant background knowledge the audience may have or lack. Note if the response should be suitable for a particular age group or interest level, such as young students or senior executives. Example, prompt with audience specified. Explain the basics of blockchain technology to a high school student with no prior knowledge of computer science. Expected outcome. The AI provides a simplified, jargon-free explanation, focusing on fundamental concepts rather than technical intricacies, making it accessible for a younger, non-technical audience. Context. Definition. The context component involves providing the AI with background information or specific details about the task, scenario, or subject matter. Context establishes the environment or situation in which the AI's response should be relevant. Importance. Proper context guides the AI to stay on topic and consider any situational factors that might affect the response, resulting in a more focused and relevant output. It is crucial for responses that require situational awareness, historical context, or other specific details to maintain accuracy and relevance. Ways to provide context. Outline the situation or problem the AI is addressing, such as a company facing a financial crisis or a student preparing for exams. Include relevant background information, such as prior actions taken, current issues, or specific goals. Mention any relevant timeframes, locations, or specific constraints impacting the response. Example, prompt with context provided. You are advising a small business owner in a competitive retail market. Provide strategies for increasing customer loyalty amid economic uncertainty. Expected outcome. The AI offers strategies that are tailored to a small business's needs, potentially considering low-cost, effective approaches that align with the economic challenges mentioned. Examples. Definition. The examples component is about including sample outputs or illustrations of what the desired response might look like, or specifying key points to include. Examples clarify the expected response format, style, and level of detail, making it easier for the AI to align with the user's vision. Importance. Providing examples sets a standard or reference point for the AI, leading to higher accuracy in complex tasks or when aiming for a particular style. Examples are especially helpful in creative tasks, structured formats, or when requesting outputs that follow specific conventions or include detailed steps. Ways to use examples. Add example sentences, bullet points, or response formats as models for the AI to mimic. Highlight key components that should be included, such as specific arguments, data points, or sections. Use phrases like respond in the following format or follow the structure below to clearly indicate preferred formatting. Example, prompt with examples provided. Write a product description for a smartphone. Here's an example structure to follow. Introduction, briefly describe the product's unique selling point. Main features, list key technical specifications and benefits. Closing, encourage the reader to learn more or make a purchase. Expected outcome. The AI generates a product description that follows the specified structure, focusing on main features and benefits in a persuasive style, mirroring the example provided. Putting the RACE framework together. The RACE framework becomes especially powerful when all four components, role, audience, context, and examples, are combined. Here's how an effective prompt might look with all elements considered. Prompt, you are a career counselor. Role, advising a recent college graduate in a competitive job market. Context. Write a motivational letter that encourages the graduate to remain persistent in their job search while providing practical advice on networking and personal branding. The audience is the graduate themselves, so use an encouraging and optimistic tone. Audience. Here's an example format. Start with an empathetic introduction, list 3 actionable steps for job searching, and conclude with words of encouragement. Example. Expected outcome. The AI generates a motivational letter that starts with empathy, includes practical job search tips, and concludes on an optimistic note, following the provided example structure. Benefits of the RACE. Framework, increased specificity and precision. Each component of RACE ensures that the prompt provides clear guidance, leading to more targeted and relevant responses. Tailored outputs. By specifying role and audience, users can make sure the response aligns closely with both the source and target perspectives. Enhanced quality and relevance. Context allows the AI to incorporate situational details, while examples offer structure, improving the quality and relevance of the output. Streamlined prompt design. RACE offers a straightforward, repeatable approach to crafting prompts that can be easily adapted to various tasks, domains, and audiences. Summary. The RACE framework offers a comprehensive approach to prompt engineering by focusing on role, audience, context, and examples. By clearly defining these elements, prompt engineers can guide AI models to produce responses that are not only accurate, but also stylistically and contextually appropriate. Whether used for generating persuasive content, educational explanations, or professional advice, the RACE framework helps in achieving prompt clarity, relevance, and impact across a wide range of AI applications. Have you tried the RACE framework? Share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights on AI prompting and content creation.